Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an email newsletter with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Mailchimp website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on Sign Up. Once your account is set up, log in to your Mailchimp dashboard. Select Create from the top menu. Choose Email from the drop-down options. Click on Regular to start a standard newsletter. Enter your campaign name in the pop-up window. Choose the audience you want to send your newsletter to. Click Begin to start designing your email. Now, you'll be taken to the email design interface. First, select a template that fits your newsletter style. You can choose from a basic layout or a more advanced design. Drag and drop content blocks to create your layout. Add a text block for your newsletter's introduction. You can also add images to make it visually appealing. Include buttons for calls to action, such as read more or shop now. Ensure all links are functional by testing them before sending. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Next. You'll need to set up the email subject line. Craft a catchy subject to grab your reader's attention. Next, you'll choose the sender name and email address. Ensure they are recognizable to your audience. After that, you can review your email settings. Make sure everything looks correct before sending. Click Send to send your newsletter immediately. Alternatively, you can schedule it for a later time. To schedule, select the date and time you want it to go out. Finally, monitor the performance of your newsletter after it's sent. Check open rates and click-through rates in the Analytics section. This data can help you improve future newsletters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.